Selamünaleyküm everyone, welcome to OZR Projects YouTube real estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I am in our beautiful city of Kocaeli at Başiskele region. I would like to introduce brand new luxury detached style villa for you today. And what we have as a general specification for this beautiful property, we have 500 square meters land. On this 500 square meters land, we have 230 square meters luxury detached style, which is including 4 rooms, 4 bathrooms and 1 living room. And also one of the most important thing about this property is beautiful scenery. We have 180-degree open Marmara Sea view, and also this scenery cannot blocked by any construction because the front yard of this plot is separated for the public area, and as you see on the video, we have 30 square meters private swimming pool too. I want to show the parking lot section. You can easily park the 2 vehicles in this parking lot section, and this door is gonna be also automatic door. So it's time to discover the interior situation of this beautiful house together. We got inside the property, very chic and spacious intersection of the property is welcoming us. Look, first of all, I want to show the highness of the gallery. We have more than 7 meters highness for the gallery to end. When I keep counting my tour from the right side from the entrance, nice and spacious living room section of the property is welcoming us. Mashallah, tabarakallah, interior architecture of this villa made a good job. When we look at the chimney, there are artistic details are available. Also, when we look at the lighting system, we have LED spot and classical lighting system. Also, you cannot see the heater on the walls because heating system of this property is working with natural gas system, which is under the floor. Also, you can access your garden from living room easily. After the veranda, you can reach your own private garden too. So I want to keep continuing my tour from here. When we reach the section, basically this is living room section, this is kitchen section. When we reach this section, as I mentioned before, the kitchen section of the property is welcoming us. I have to mention that it won't be delivered like that because you can add your special requirements inside this property. You can show your taste on the kitchen cabinets. The landlord is gonna serve a couple of choices for the combination of the colors for cabinets and countertop, and also you can make your own private design for the cabinets too. What I told you, we have 4 rooms, 4 bathrooms and 1 living room. This is the common bathroom of the ground floor. This is full bathroom. Next to it, we have 1 room for kids section or guest room. So it was the situation of the ground floor. So let's give it up what we have on the first floor, please. So when we reach the first floor of the property, room sections of these beautiful houses welcoming us, and also we have very chic lighting system over here. There is artistic decoration. Over here we have the first room for kids section on first floor. This room is containing is full bathroom over here too. So when we keep continuing our tour, on the right side we have common bathroom, and right over here we have 2 more rooms too. I want to show the also common bathroom section for you too. And also right over here we have another room for kids section. Even from this angle we have such a sea view too. And it's time to discover the master room section together. So when we reach this section, beautiful and spacious master room is saying hi for us. Also over here we have spot LED and classical lighting system. We have full attached bathroom inside the master room too. Next to it we have very big dressing room section, and also master room has its own balcony and it is directly looking for the beautiful scenery of Marmara Sea. It was the situation of this beautiful house. For more information and catching this opportunity, you can directly contact with me. Please, if you like our videos, do not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button too. For more information and catching this opportunity, you can directly contact with me. My name is Hakan OZR. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532 207 8634. Thanks for watching and fi aman Allah.